Our most beloved Supreme Master Ching Hai again graciously took time from her intensive meditation retreat to speak with Supreme Master Television team members. During the conference on Friday, June 26, 2020, Master, deeply concerned as always about the welfare of our world, continued to warn about the pandemic.
Even the WHO keep telling people it's not safe, okay?
Yes.
You have to really protect yourself. Not safe yet. It doesn't go away. It's keep coming.
Please take this virus really seriously. It hasn't gone away. It's very much there. Please respect what the public health folk are telling you to do. They're saying it for a reason. Please protect yourself and others, maintaining physical distance, wearing a mask when you're in public places, and if you're at all unwell, don't go out. It's really important that we recognize that this virus is dangerous and we've all got to work to get on top of it. I really ask everybody in the US, and indeed everybody everywhere, to go on taking this virus seriously, please.
Before, it's just over 1 million, and we feel, wow, now, huh? And now it's 9 million plus, I think maybe 10 already, officially, yeah?
Yes, Master.
But unofficially, it's more than that.
Yes.
3 times, at least, more than that. So it's not leaving us yet. I say all this for people, so they be more careful. It's not fun to be sick, especially this type.
Yes, Master.
It terminate you and torture you before that. It's a big cleaning time,
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
And even if we got over this, other will come.
Master proceeded to remind us of some of the crises already facing our world from all sides.
Not the pandemic only, but the animals dies in hundreds of thousands because they cannot sell.
Yes.
They kill them. Hundreds of thousands, pigs or cows or chickens, minks. And then the whole world is in deficit, yeah? Because of the pandemic, people don't work. They're less productive, but more payment.
Yes, Master.
And then there is Ebola and the salmonella in chicken, etc., etc. And then even those sickness before, like right, like SARS and MERS and stuff like that, they're still in the corner somewhere. Maybe they don't spread so quickly like COVID-19, but they are still spreading.
Yes, Master.
It's just because the COVID-19 now cover everything. Many cancer patients are neglected, tuberculosis are neglected, and malaria, people with other kind of chronic disease or dangerous disease, many are neglected because of the COVID-19 situation. So many patients are not really cared for and die,
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
especially elderly. So it's not only the pandemic that kills people, there are other things as well. Other old pandemics are also still ongoing. And now we have even floods, torrential rains, and landslides many places, and the locust disaster in many places, bee declines, also droughts everywhere, and farmers helpless. No one can help them. This is worrisome for our world. Some people worry that due to all this, we will have food shortage. We already have anyway. I hope everybody wake up quick, be vegan, to use this compassionate, benevolent, sustaining energy in order to save our people, our world.
While expressing her deep-felt sorrow and care for humanity, Master revealed more from her diary and also shared some very good news.
The zealous demons, they're gone.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Maybe just a few cases, yeah, but not unmanageable.
Wow. Yes, Master. Thank you.
I know already. It's just that the gods just told me.
Wow.
So I said, yeah. So said you. I would really want to see the world to live in peace
and love, just like high heaven, not astral heaven, higher. Because the energy of the zealous demons and ghosts and evil and all that is still in the world.
Yes, Master.
Like even if Maya is gone, the energy still linger because they infected the humans and the animals on this planet since long ages already. Yeah,
I understand.
So even if they're gone, it takes years for this energy to clean up. That's why I'm frustrated. That's why I said to them, I really want to see the world in peace and harmony and love, not talking anymore about that.
Most compassionate Master, your words uplift our hearts and assure us that in your sublime love and mercy, all beings will soon experience true peace on earth. In this cleansing period, we pray that humanity will choose vegan now. May the mighty heavens continue to protect beloved Master and hasten her awesome wish for our world. For the full broadcast of this conference with Supreme Master Ching Hai, please tune in to Between Master and Disciples at a later date.